I just filled my muffin tins with some sugar cookie dough. Now I'm gonna come in with a teaspoon because I feel like this works the best. And all I am doing here is I'm pushing the sugar cookie right into the muffin pan so it just kind of forms like a little cookie cup, just like that. And I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna do this to all of the sugar cookie dough, just making it into these cute little cups, molding them right down like that into our muffin tin. This is going to be such a cute little easy go-to treat for summer, treat for the holidays, festive and super, super simple. Smashing in this last dough right here and we are off to a great start. So far, so good. Okay, now you can see we have all of those cookies smashed into these little cups. That is going to be so great. Let me fix this one just a little bit. I want to smooth that out. Okay, that's good. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake these in the oven. We're putting them in at 350. They're gonna cook for probably about 12 minutes, and they're gonna kind of carry the shape of this muffin tin that we have here, and wait until you see what we fill these things up with. Our cookie cups are all done and I did let them cool down. Now I have a little bit of whipped vanilla frosting right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab ourselves a little scoopful. I'm gonna put that right in there in the center of that cookie. Yes, so good. We just have these cute little cookie cups. They are gonna be adorable once we take them out. I can't wait to show you guys. And now we have this frosting that we're putting in the middle. I went with the whipped frosting because I feel like it's kind of a little bit fluffier, airier, not as, sweet and dense as the buttercream. And I kind of like it a little bit better, but you could definitely, oh, come on, there we go. You could definitely switch it up if you wanted to use a different kind of frosting. That would be totally fine. In fact, if you have any other great ideas, please, please, please let me know. Okay, look at that. We have all that frosting in there. It's looking great. Now I'm gonna come in with some nice fresh raspberries. Ooh, look at how nice and red those look. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of smash it right into this ball of frosting that we created right at the top of our little cookie cup that we have. You can see I'm just kind of putting that raspberry a little bit off to the side, smashing it in there because that will allow it to stay so good. You guys, everybody is going to love this cute little treat, and it is so freaking easy to make. It's so easy to make. There we go. Okay. All right, we're gonna keep going. Now we have some blueberries, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 blueberries and we're gonna set it right there on either side of our raspberries. So you guys can see exactly what we're doing with this. We have a little bit of a red, white, and blue patriotic theme going on here, which I love. And I just think too, bringing berries into, with like the frosting and the cookie, it gives it such a nice burst of flavor, and you have this fresh fruit in there. It is so delicious when you bite into this. And look at how cute these are looking. Oh, that one's got a stem in. These are adorable. And a total finger food dessert. Look at that. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I love these things. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna come right here in the front and I'm just gonna pick this cookie out right like so. Look at that. You see how that made just that cute little cup there? Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay, I'm gonna give it a bite. I'm gonna try from the raspberry side. These are delicious. Wow, the sugar cookie is still nice and soft, even though it made that shape with the muffin tin. The frosting with the raspberry, oh my gosh, it's like the perfect combination. So easy, you guys. All we did was took the sugar cookie, we have the frosting, the blueberries, and the raspberries. What is that? 4 ingredients,
and a delicious, easy treat that everyone's going to love. I hope you enjoy this.